Yeah, injalo. So there's a person ohlushwa imoya. Angiyizwa ngithini. They're not looking for something quick. But yeah, today, tomorrow, I'm a millionaire. There's a person who's been looking for answers for years, decades, 20 years, 30 years. Person probably left the country, they're in another country, or European Union, in the States, for example, or Asia, wherever they are. Bahlushwa yini imimoya. These people seek assistance ngani ngemimoya. Right? Don't get me wrong. There are also people in those countries that heed the call, that understand the language of imimoya. Not everybody, gay party, has that or has been given that. Ngisho ngakhanda fana into efana nawe. Ngisho ukhande ini uhambe ukuthi una la Bill Gates, uhambe uvusa uBill Gates lapha ethuneni lakhe nani. These things don't respond if it is not natural. The natural speak to the natural. The unnatural speak to the unnatural. And that is a fact. It's a historical fact. The unnatural will always try to go and speak to the natural. Why? It's unnatural. Forget about it. Phuma lapha. Akuyona yakho. Akona kwakho. There are people that have been going through these things for years. And when they realize ukuthi it's a like for like thing, then when they eventually find a person who can make it talk, make it talk, then things happen. Why? Because those people abaphila kuyena bebemfundisa isifundo sani sokulinda. I won't say much. I think I've said enough.